Ang ganda! Tanga, ba't ako naiyak? So this is Songjong Beach. Best surfing spot dito sa Busan. It just feels surreal. I'm just so glad na nandito ako ngayon. May times sa trip na to, although nakakapagod minsan, pero babalik sa akin yung thought na, wow, this is once in a lifetime. Ito na guys, actual lesson.
When you get on the board, you have to check your foot position first.
It's taller than me. Kamsamnida guys. We had fun. Bye-bye. This is tricky. Shucks, ang ganda. Ang lala. Para akong nasa Demon Slayer. So here's to conquering our fears and pushing ourselves beyond our limit. Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? Anyong haseyo? This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. And nandito tayo ngayon sa one of my most favorite places on earth, Busan, the second largest city in Korea. So this is part of our 10-day trip in Korea. So we'll spend a day here in Busan going to spots that we've never been to. Okay, so this is exciting kasi this is our second time in Busan. Ngayon, nasa hotel tayo. So this is Grand Joseon Hotel, a 5-star hotel in front of Haeundae Beach. Of course. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. So we went late. We went home late. So we arrived at the hotel around 3 a.m. because we walked alongside the Haeundae Beach. I mean along the Haeundae Beach. Binigyan tayo ng bag nung representative ng Busan Tourism Organization. So this from Busan Tourism Organization, Visit Busan Pass. Let's go. Another day, another ride. Beach. We're gonna go surfing today, guys.
Outfit, then we can try.
Guys, alright. It is the first time that we'll try surfing and it's in Busan. Tingnan nyo naman. Ayan. Lipat ko yung camera. Ayan.
So before the start, is your first time, sir? First time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
First time?
Second time.
So are you gonna take off?
I was be able to stay.
First, we have to talk about surfing. So the surfing is also sports like the basketball, soccer, all same. So even in Paris Olympic, they have surf competition too. So can you guess what this mean? One wave, one suffer.
We cannot suffer together.
Only one suffer get each one wave. So today we're gonna ride 3 feet on board. Last, you can see the small scale on the tail we call leash cup. So here gonna be attached leash cord. Can you see that rope?
Yeah.
I understood.
You understood?
I think I understood almost everything.
It's really confusing.
I don't know.
Okay, I'll just watch you guys and then follow. Yes, I'll just follow. Oh. Ito, binibigyan na tayo ng suit. Sabi ko, di ko sure kung nagets ko yung instruction kanina, but we'll just follow, guys. Okay? First time natin magsasurf kasi takot ako matamaan nung board. So, tinatawag siyang longboard, yung pinakita kanina. But, yeah, this is an experience. So, this trip is it's all about trying new experiences because this is something that, again, we won't do if naka-DIY tayo. So, itong vlog na ito, things that we won't do kapag naka-DIY tayo. Charing.
Donde la gente
Oh.
tiene mucho surfear. Yo no sabía eso. Yo diría que como el sureste de Asia es más famoso para venir a surfear, pero bueno, hoy veremos.
I'm so sorry.
No, that's okay. Video, you keep all your camera. Celine and I will be very good photographer today, okay?
Oh.
Because you cannot take this.
Yes,
Y no podemos llevar estas cámaras con nosotros, así que
Okay.
tendremos que dejarlas.
We'll leave our camera, guys. Ay.
Y miren, aquí está mi amiguito de
Hola.
Filipinas. How
Hola,
do you
Mexico.
say hi in Filipinas?
It's hi, but we usually say mabuhay.
Mabuhay!
Long live. It's It means
hi.
long live. Long live
Long live.
Mexico. Mabuhay.
It's
Mabuhay.
hola, hola in Mexico. Hi, hola.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Let's go. Songjong Beach, right? Songjong Beach.
강사님 인스트럭터 강사 you told him 강사님 교관님 뭐라고 하죠? 저분 뭐라고 부르죠?
강상님?
name
코치라고 돼요. 서핑 코치.
강상님.
아,
있으시 여러 가지 이름.
거기
We call him 강상님.
제 이름 그대로 써요.
유창 강사님이라고
강상님.
불릴까요? 어떻게 불러드릴까요?
강상님.
코치 you can call
코치. 코치님. 코치님.
nice 코치님
Yes, 코치님.
our water
Siya yung magtuturo sa atin, guys.
출발할게요.
네네
감사합니다, 코치님.
So this one is
Alright.
school. You are sexual.
Our safety rope.
Lo estoy viendo.
It's
I think it's huge. Yours.
really?
Yeah.
괜찮아요. 괜찮아요.
괜찮아요.
He selected this for us, so let's wear this.
No sé qué está haciendo nuestro amigo.
Is this your first time?
Yeah, the first
Oh. Ayim is the most expert one. Okay. It's big. It's taller than me.
Oh my God.
The longboard. Oh my gosh. Wow, you're strong. Go V. You can carry it. You're strong. Can you carry it, V? Whoa, you're so strong. Our girls are so strong, even stronger than me. Okay. That orientation. Oh, you have to make a line, guys. Ito na, guys. Actual lesson.
When you get on the board, you have to check your foot position first, okay? Your foot position. Sit here.
Guys! Hindi na na-videohan kasi we had to leave our phones. Ay, wait lang. Ay, may nag-email. Napabasa ako. Monday kasi ngayon. So I still receive messages from work. Reply lang natin to. Kamsamnida, guys. We had fun. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You are our superstar. We learned.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Coach Nim. Alright. Coach Nim. Coach Nim, kamsamnida. Oh, you are good. You are good. Thank you so much. Alright, guys. I enjoyed it a lot. Di natin na-videohan. Pero nandito tayo sa Songjong Beach, okay? So, very thank you sa ating Coach Nim na naturuan tayo. Natuto tayo kanina. Okay, I'm filming them. Okay. I'll take a video of you. Of course.
As well, please.
Landscape, portrait.
Photo.
Portrait? Landscape? For your vlog? Okay.
It's okay. I think it's okay to wait.
Did you have fun? Ayim is so great. Like, Ayim was the best one among us. Because this is the third time you surfed. Or
This
second
is my
time.
first time.
So you were so good, you were balancing. How about you, Diana? Did you learn?
It was so good.
You had fun?
You were so good.
Oh, thank you. I learned.
Okay, let's go.
Because Coach Nim taught us so well.
Yeah.
put all the pictures tonight or tomorrow
Yeah, you know what? I think I can, but sure.
So this is Songjong Beach.
okay I get it right away okay
Thank you. If it's only one video.
So nice. Ito daw yung beach, best surfing spot dito sa Busan. Although ang pinakasikat dito ay Haeundae and Gwangali. But this is the best spot for surfing. The waves were so nice. Like, no, this is Songjong Beach. This is the best surfing spot in Busan. Wow. Hindi ko na, guys, na video yung experience ko, pero ito yung picture natin. Ito. Ito yung picture natin. Ito. Ay, ayan. So nice. Ay, di nagfo-focus. Di ba at first, takot na takot ako. Like, nakakatakot kasi inisip ko baka matama yung mukha ko, baka magkapasa-pasa ako. Pero, ma-survive natin siya. Kasi narinig ko yung friends ko nagkakapasa-pasa sila whenever they try surfing. Nagbali na tayo, yung coach natin ay nagbali na siya. And then nag-Siargao. So these are, you know, the best surfing spots in the world. And sayang, di pa tayo nakapag-surf sa Pilipinas. But I think if I go to Bali again, if I go to Siargao, I definitely try surfing again. Ang galing ng coach natin kasi natuto tayo agad. Ang sarap sa feeling nung nagagawa mong tumayo. Ay, we're here. We're gonna lunch ourselves. Sarap sa feeling, guys, nung nakakatayo ka sa surfing board tapos nag-ride ka. You ride along the waves. It's very fulfilling. Very fulfilling siya for me. I did it, ganun. Yung sense of achievement, malala. Oo. Ayan yung Songjong Beach. Yan. So kayo guys, yun lang talaga feeling ko yung lesson for me today. Conquer your fears and God will do the rest. Just conquer your fear. Kasi very fulfilling once makonquer mo siya, successfully mo siyang makonquer, makatayo ka, 'di ba? Kapag may alon. Yun. O 'di ba? Yung surfing, it somehow represents life, 'di ba? May mga alon na darating sa buhay mo, you just have to ride with it. At first, madadapa ka, mahulog ka, pero kapag tatagan mo yung sarili mo, you'll definitely survive it. Ngayon, after surfing, we deserve a lunch. Alright? Let's go. Wow. Oh, where are they? I think they're upstairs. Ay. Oh, they're here.
And the only meal,
Wow.
and we share. More coming.
Oh, it's more?
Wow. Oh. Lots of food. We have pasta, steak. Is this a steak? Steak. Meatball. I'm not sure. But kung alam nyo guys, comment down below. Char. And then pizza.
Okay, was not filming.
And then fish. Wait lang. Zoom in natin. There's fish. Yes. So many food after our surfing lessons. Super nice. Arancini? Video again. This is how it looks. This is how it feels like to be with content creators, guys. From all over the world. Wow, 맛있어요. Wow. What is that?
Arancini, it's an Italian food inside the rice.
Oh, rice is
And
inside.
cheese and deep fried. Enjoy.
Oh, 감사합니다. Arancini.
cut. 1, 2, 3 times.
Wow. Wanyong hamnida. Welcome to the restaurant. But you're welcome as a response to thank you. You don't have it. Wanyong hamnida. Polite.
환영합니다 is for like only flanker. When you open it, have a opening ceremony or some ceremony place, they put 환영합니다. But normally between friends, we don't use it.
Okay.
It's like an official.
Is it official? Wanyong hamnida. Oh. Okay guys, I'm using my mic. But let's eat. Because we deserve this. It's another samtuos lunch for us. Oh, favorite samtuos. Kasi nakakapagod mag-surf, but it's really fulfilling. This is something that you should try. Hindi ako makamove on. Tapos ang galing ng coach natin. I think it really helps that the coach is good. Kasi yung surfing, nakakatakot siya at first. It's very intimidating. But if you have a nice coach, no, you can take one of them.
Thank you.
Yeah. But of course, if medyo strict si Coach Nim, is kind of strict, but is friendly when you're able to learn. He appreciates. He says chua chua. He likes it when we are able to perfect it. The surfing lessons. Who is the company? Surfholic. Surfholic in Songjong. Okay? Pwede na ako mag-mukbang content. Sareng. Pero kayo guys, natry nyo ba mag-surf? Baka tulad nyo ako natatakot lang sa simula, but we have to do it. Yun ang nasa isip ko kanina, na nandito na din naman tayo sa Busan. A surfing in Busan would be great, diba? Experience. And libre to. Wala tayong binayaran. Maraming salamat sa KTO, ano? Oh. Our friends are eating peacefully. I think, yeah. This is the first time that nobody really talks. Hungry. Steak. The steak tastes really good. Delicioso. 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 Kain na tayo?
Maybe you can use this one.
Just the city view while we're in the van, on the van, at the van. Charing. Feeling ko either in the van or on the van. Or correct me guys sa comment section. Charing. Ayun. Ganda ng Busan. Kalmado. Diba? It's a city. Monday ngayon na. Pero it looks like a Sunday. Charing. Ganun ba? Kasi sa Tacloban, kapag Sunday, wala gaanong cars sa labas. Sabay yung mga tao. Kaya, nasabi kong it looks like a Sunday. Kasi wala gaanong, versus what I expected. Hindi ganun karami yung sasakyan, mga tao sa labas. Yeah.
See you next time.
Yes. Kamsahamnida, our friend from Busan Tourism. Bye-bye.
Take your time. Okay, enjoy your free time. I will meet you here.
See you soon. See you again.
What, we have to ask her. Where is the Starbucks? Okay, we can see you later.
Guys, look at the view from our hotel. That's the Haeundae Beach, the most beautiful beach in Korea. Alright, quick pahinga lang sa hotel natin. Then we're gonna go out. Kasi may pupuntahan pa tayo. Ibang location. It's Arte Museum here in Busan. Zoom ko. Wow. Ganda. So ayun, share ko lang. Kaya pala ako takot mag-surfing kasi unang-una hindi ako marunong lumangoy. So inisip ko baka malunod ako. Pero wala namang ganun, okay? Hindi naman tayo nalunod. And hindi naman tayo ilalagay sa malalim. So, nasa manageable tayong lalim ng dagat. Haeundae Beach. Ito yun. Na-mention ko before na dito tayo nag-birthday 2 years ago with Megan. So, brings back a lot of memories. Haeundae Beach. Kasi tumabay lang tayo dyan. So that was after the hometown Chachachaira. Kaya super feel na feel natin dyan magkidama moment. Oh guys, diba? Ang ganda ng Busan. So pretty. Yepo. Yepo. Our next stop guys, it's already afternoon. Dito tayo sa Arte Museum. Okay, actually this is called Arte Museum Circle in Busan. So this just opened this year. Tapos this is a global immersive media art exhibition. It consists of different works that reinterpret Busan's nature and history. So first time ko papasok sa ganito guys, so I cannot wait. Samahan nyo ako. Of course, I'm with content creators. So this is usually the scene every time we get to a destination. Mga pang-reels, mga palakad-lakad bago pumasok. Let's go, guys! Woo!
So nice.
Lahat may reaction eh.
Thank
감사합니다. 사장님. Let's go. Wow. An experience. No light. Yeah. Guys, let's go. Alright, ito siya. Nasa 1,000 pesos yung entrance dito actually. Yung surfing place natin, Surfholic, di ko na tanong yung price kasi libre lang tayo. Guys, this is the largest art museum in the world and it's in Busan according to Visit Busan na website. Wow. Whoa. Circle. Ito siya, dazzling golden sand of eternal sea. Walk into the circular pile of sand circulating up in the air.
Where's Salim?
I think they're here. Waterfall Infinite. Whoa. Wow. Ganda. Diba? Whoa. That was fun. Smells like flower, guys. Flower. Guys, may bulaklak. The Queen of Flowers. Rose pala yung Queen of Flowers. Tara guys. As in, gusto ko yung isama sa immersive experience na to. Ay. I love. Ang bangot, ang ganda. It's really nice. Grabe. Ay, para siyang maze. Pero nakakatuwa. Pumasok sa mga sulok-sulok. Ito may, do you want a picture here?
Oh, yeah, right.
Go, 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 go.
Is that you?
Yes, of course. This angle? Okay. You just tell me the angle, okay? Because I'm bad at angles. Angles. Taga-Tacloban talaga tayo, guys. Alright, one. It's dark, okay? 1, 2, 3. You move a little bit here.
What is this? Like, oh my God.
Alright. Oh, okay, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3. And it's so beautiful.
Can you take a video?
Yeah, of course. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, perfect. It's just like some minutes.
Okay.
Like,
Yeah, let's go. Tornado. We'll immerse ourselves into tornado.
1, 2.
Oh! Debak. Surprise. Wow.
Video. Yeah.
Nililinis every time kasi the mist. Is it watery? Slippery? Let's go. Grabe yung tornado. Ang ganda. Wait, ito naman. Sun, moon, jungle glow. Dito na tayo. Wow.
Right here, it's just like rain. Like,
Yes. Do you want a video there? Guys. Ganda. Wow.
Oh,
The
I didn't
moon.
know that there's a...
Ganda. Whoa. So it's a real rain.
It's real, right?
I mean, it's a real water.
Okay. I'm gonna film you, okay?
Okay. Yeah. Pasok naman tayo sa ice. Oh. Wow. Oh, grabe. 3D art. Wow. Oh. This is tricky. Shucks, ang ganda. Ang lala.
At first it was like this when I arrived.
Oh, wow.
You see?
Yeah.
It's nice.
Ano siya? Para akong nasa Demon Slayer. Alam mo yung Demon Slayer? Do you want a picture? Video? Alright.
From the back, it was like,
Lakas maka-anime.
yeah, right here, right here.
Wow. Beach. Wow. Oh, what is this?
There, right there.
Ang ganda. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Nakakaiyak, mukha akong tanga. Wow. Ang ganda. This is nice. Bakit tanga? Ba't ako naiyak? Ang ganda nun guys. Nakakaiyak. Oh. Exit. Thank you for visiting. Guys, ang ganda ng Busan. Ang ganda ng finale. Medyo naluha ako doon. Kasi, surreal na nandito tayo. Yun, medyo OA, diba? Pero, that surprised me. The one at the end. Ay, thank you. Favorite ko yung last. Yung may image ng Busan. Tapos may pa-fireworks. I think they already ordered for us. How was it, V? Had fun? Oh wow, that's nice. Okay guys, syempre yung KTO may palibre na naman. We ordered. Yeah, it's very nice. Ang nice. Like, may QR code na pwedeng iscan dito and we can put our names like there. So, this is such an immersive experience. There are my friends. Diana.
And a heart. It's not working.
You know, in our lives, we need one friend like Diana who effortfully takes our photos and videos. You're that friend. And
Yeah,
you
right?
and you direct people how to pose.
So like move, like
Yeah.
to the right, to the left.
Mexican sarange.
On to the first day.
Ayun guys, yung day natin dito sa Busan, South Korea. So from surfing to eating lunch and then going to the museum. So it's a fun-filled day na nakakabusog din ng heart and soul going here to the museum. Diba? Like, oh my gosh, yung finale with the music, it made my heart really full. Nakakaiyak. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. It just feels surreal. I'm just so glad na nandito ako ngayon. Alam mo yon na may times sa trip na to, although nakakapagod minsan, pero babalik sa akin yung thought na wow, this is once in a lifetime. At nandito tayo ngayon because I was invited by Korea Tourism Organization at kasama ko ngayon yung iba't ibang creators from different countries. And hindi ko alam kung kailan ulit yung ganito, 'di ba? You know, 6 kami, but we really don't know when we'll see each other again. Yun yung nafe-feel ko ngayon. So I'm very much thankful talaga na naging part tayo
I
nito.
also know that they buy rice as good.
Okay. She's noticing our pasalubong from here. So yeah, tulad nun, si Diana, she's been our body since yesterday, since 3 a.m., since 12 midnight. Diana from Mexico. Surfing, I'm happy na today I was able to conquer my fears then with the surfing. Ayan, maglakad-lakad nga tayo. I'm happy I was able to conquer my fears, push myself beyond my limits through surfing. Kasi at first, hindi ko talaga in-expect na kakayanin ko mag-surf. Kasi takot ako na matamaan yung mukha ko, hindi ako marunong maglangoy. But eventually, we were able to make it. So here's to conquering our fears and pushing ourselves beyond our limit. Kasi when we get to do things that we're afraid of, it feels really fulfilling. Diba? Mas fulfilling yung feeling. So yun, thank you so much guys for watching. This is Dave, the Kulipo Traveler, here from Busan. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye! I'll give this to my uma. Souvenir from Arte. Wow!
Okay, wait. Jusan, cent, okay? Just hold it. Wait.
Wow!
Okay, wait.
Thank you, Busan! Shucks! Shucks,
Okay.
yeah.
1, 2, 3. Ta-da!
Tadaan! Wow! Debak!
Hermoso.
Busan sand?
Busan cent.
Do we eat that? Or
Yes, sure. We'll eat it
I
in
thought
the
it's
pot.
actual sand.
Yeah, I think we will wait here.
Thank you.